Today we will see mango food processing plant. First, the mangoes are safely collected from the farm and sent to the food processing plant. The mangoes are sent to the ripening area via a continuous rolling conveyor belt. After that, the ripe mangoes are collected and then sent it to the processing line via conveyor belt. The mangoes pass through the inspection process and unusable mangoes are removed. The mangoes are then washed with fresh water which removes harmful dirt from it. In the tipping conveyor, the worker removes the black tip of the mangoes. Mango peel is removed and separate the juice via an automatic machine. The mango juice is sent to the pulping station. Mango pulp passes through the aseptic line and canning line. In the aseptic line, the mango pulp is heated to 62 degrees in the preheater. In the standardization tank, the juice is customized according to customers' needs. The mango juice is sterilized at 115 degrees. Then, the juice is packed into the aseptic tank without any human touch, which make it hygienic. In the canning process, the pulps are mixed with the sugar syrup and then pasteurized. The cans are sterilized using the steam. These cans are filling with juice through auto filler. After that, the cans are passed through sealing process. The cans are heated to 100 degrees in the retort tank. Then, the cans pass through the cooling process. The mango juice goes through the final inspection and quality control process. Finally, the mango juice is ready for the customer.